Wireframing is what we do to initiate the structure of a web page. So wireframes may be as primitive as a loosely sketched out layout on a scratch pad, and something like this would be considered low fidelity wireframing. So low fidelity wireframes have no colors, no text, they're just a jumping off point. High fidelity wireframes, on the other hand, are a means of taking your low fidelity designs to the next stage, or just starting from a more sophisticated stance, because high fidelity wireframes include more design and copy elements. Starting with a wireframe kit is an entry point to high fidelity wireframing. This is a way to save time and effort when creating a website because it bridges the gap between the initial conception of the structure and the development phase. Working with a kit helps us create super high fidelity wireframes. It's really just a great way to fast track the design process, which can mean better profit margins for the design service provider and a quicker launch for the product owners who are eagerly awaiting their marketing materials. So that's the gist of wireframing as it pertains to this course.